All right, guys, welcome back to Classic Chevys with CJ, the Cigar Man. So, hey, if you guys haven't been watching my videos, we are about to get into episode 7 of the 1953 Chevy panel truck build. And if you guys watched the previous video, you guys will know that we just got through taking that old cap, the cap off the old frame and putting a new frame underneath there. And so now I'm actually bringing it home from Count's Customs place. And hey, big thanks to Counts for helping me out, let me use his garage, and putting all this stuff together. So now I'm about to bring it home to my garage, guys, and we're gonna just do a lot of little things to the panel truck. Some things that I couldn't do before. So the first thing, in which I should have done actually before I even sprayed it, but the opportunity was there for me to use Counts' spray booth and stuff, so I had to go ahead and take it whenever I had that chance to. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I like to smooth my dashes, and I'll show you guys what's going to happen here with the 53. As you guys see there, how that dash is smoothed instead of right up in here. It used to be a old radio, like the old-timey radio would be right there. And they actually do make the radios up to date. They got Bluetooth and everything like that, but I just changed my mind at the last moment, and so I'm going to go ahead and smooth that, and I'm going to make me another center console, and we're going to put that a radio with a 7-inch flip top down in the bottom, so you guys will see that. And another thing, hey, I got my rims in. The rims that I was using over at Counts, he had some 20s, and I actually used his rim to just mock it up there to make sure the fitment was going to be all right, and that way I knew what size rims to order and tires. So on the front, though, I'm going to have a spacer on the front, and I'm going to go for a little smaller tire. But my rims came in. I'll be showing those to you guys, and we'll be putting them on the truck. And other than that, we're just going to be doing a lot of little things around the truck. Like, and actually, we're also going to be putting some sound deadener, and I will be lining the inside of the panel truck in the back and stuff. So, hey, we got a lot of stuff going on. I tell you, I got a lot of good material. We got a lot of stuff that we're going to be putting here on the channel, and you guys are going to be really shocked at how this panel truck is going to turn around so quickly and stuff. So without further ado, I want you guys to, hey, and don't forget to, subscribe, like, and share these comments too. And, if you guys got any questions, make sure you put comments down below so I can get back with you guys. So there's a lot of stuff going on in this video, and I'll probably get with you guys towards the end. All right, we have a lot to cover. Just want to go over a few things. This is the sound deadener. I actually get this sound deadener at Lowe's or Home Depot, the big box stores. It lays down really good. And these are my rims that I got there, 20-inch rims. They're Ridley's, actually a Ridley chrome. The last ones I got was actually chrome and a gunmetal. And these Ridley's, they look really good on the truck, as you see the pictures here. And it's very tight. I mean, I couldn't even put maybe one finger, as you see there, but they don't rub, so that's all that matters. And I also just wanted to go ahead and throw in, as I was working on the cap and the frame, I actually went on ahead and put my motor together. I really, the only thing I did was got the head surface, and I left the motor originally. It was 93,000 miles on it. It was an LS, and I got this a motor from the salvage yard. I just cleaned it up really good, just like I did my other ones. One thing I do want to point out is that, as you saw, it was a OEM oil pan on this LS motor. It was new, but they sent me the wrong one. I didn't even recognize it until afterwards, but there was no problem. They just sent me a new low profile oil pan, and it worked out fine. When you're doing an LS swap or conversion, you have to go with a low profile or it just would not work. And here you see that I already got the oil pan changed out already to the low profile. I should have recognized that right away. I've done several of these, so it should have been, I should have caught that right away, but I didn't. we're just gonna do a quick little walk around just to show you guys what was done in the last few months that I've been working on the truck. Now it does look like I got a lot of stuff done, and I did. I work on this truck, you know, basically around the clock. If I'm not at work, as soon as I get off work, I go straight to the garage, and sometimes I stay in the garage till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Now, one thing that I do want to point out is that I did have a little issue with the motor. For whatever reason, I had brought aftermarket motor mounts, and they just didn't want to line up on the frame properly. But I eventually got it to work, and hopefully I won't have any more issues out of that. These are some pieces for the steering bracket that I made, and of course the valve covers, and also the front end. And we're about to go ahead and spray these. I'm out here painting, ready to the top part. Valve covers. Things are hard to clean right there. Now, a lot of you guys out there looking at these videos may not know what this is. This is where the radio went, and a lot of people used to use a delete plate, a radio delete plate, but I like to weld them up, as you see there, and I like to smooth the dash. And after I smooth it, I take my Bondo and everything, and then I actually paint it. And now I just want to show you guys the motor with those blue valve covers on it. And it's not a lot of blue, so I tell you what, it looks really good. And I would be fabricating the top piece for my engine cover, and actually I'll be making that out of 18 gauge steel, and that'll probably be in the next video. All right, guys, hey, I am back, and you see where I'm at. I'm in my favorite place here, my garage. And if I'm not at work, this is where I'm at. I would rather be no other place. So hey, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Appreciate you guys joining me. Appreciate you watching my videos. I appreciate all the love you guys are giving me and stuff. It's been fun doing these videos. And I just want to do more and more. Every time I get an idea, get some new footage, I'm all over it. So hopefully you guys appreciate it as much as I do. I appreciate you guys as well. So if you got a good cigar and a fast truck or car, smoke them if you got them, baby.